Today we have a 2000 Lexus GS300. We'll be replacing the outer tie rod. So let's get over here and get to work. First thing to do, remove the cotter pin here. And with a 19, we're gonna remove this nut here. But before we do that, let's go ahead and break this nut here as well with a 19 here and a 19 to hold this. So quick correction, this is number 17 actually. So I went ahead and already broke this nut here just to make this easier to come off. I also went ahead and counted the threads here, which we are going to do here as well, so I can put it back in the same location. Since that we are going to be using OEM parts, it should pretty much sit in the right spot before we take it to the line. All right, so with that nut removed, we're going to use I'm basically going to use a ball joint tool to air hammer, make my life easier. Or you can use a hammer and strike the side to shock it. Or there's actually a ball joint separating tool, but either or you choose. So we're going to go ahead and get this off. And also, I want to mention that some people I've seen will remove the brake caliper just so they can use an impact to get this nut off. However, I just used a normal 17 wrench and it came right off. It's only torqued down to 61 foot-pounds, so it's not too terribly bad to remove. All right, now with it separated, we're just gonna go ahead and twist this off, counting each rotation and then installing the new one. All right, so our old one's removed. We have our new one here. I'm just gonna twist this on, basically the same amount of rotations as we took it off, and get ready to reinstall. All right, our outer tie rod is now installed. Just got to reinstall to the ball joint here. If you want to torque down 61 foot-pounds, and just throw a new cotter pin in. Now the exact same procedure is for the other side. Just keep in mind there is a left and a right outer tie rod. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come.